Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Edward in Alabama on this Stryker SR-955HP. Edward got it ready to go for you. This is just our standard tuning alignment. That does include getting a good forward bird average swing, a good audio clarity. Let's go ahead and show you here. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down in case you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability, 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, audio. That 35 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello. 80 watts. Over to sideband. Hello. And about 80 watts as well. Go back to AM. This RF power turned all the way down. Show you what it's doing there for 2 watt carrier. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Still doing 80 watts. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. All right, Edward. It's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.